Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Do you remember a time when the name Nokia was synonymous with trust, reliability, and innovation? From those iconic black and white screen phones to today's high-tech smartphones, Nokia's journey has been absolutely remarkable. After stepping away from the spotlight for a while, Nokia is gearing up for a sensational comeback. In this time, they are raising the stakes with a spectacular 200-megapixel DSLR camera smartphone. If you've been waiting for a Nokia phone that's packed with mind-blowing features but won't completely empty your wallet, then today, we have some incredible news for you. Get ready to meet the Nokia Lumia 2026 5G. In this video, we're going to give you the full breakdown of this smartphone's powerful features, its price, and most importantly, the launch date. So, without any further delay, let's dive right in. Features of the Nokia Lumia 2026 5G. Display. This Nokia smartphone is truly massive. You're getting a huge 6.92-inch LTPO Super AMOLED display. It comes with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and a blazing fast 390Hz touch sampling rate, guaranteed to make your gaming experience ultra smooth. For security, it features an in-display fingerprint sensor, and the phone also boasts an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Camera setup. When it comes to the camera, Nokia has put extra special focus here. This phone features a triple rear camera setup, headlined by a jaw-dropping, monstrous 200-megapixel primary sensor. Complementing that, you get a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens, and an 8-megapixel macro camera. And for all you selfie lovers, the front holds a stunning 32-megapixel selfie camera. Professional-grade photography, right in your pocket. Performance. The heart and soul of any smartphone is its processor. This device is powered by one of the most capable chipsets available, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. For the operating system, you'll get the latest Android 16 experience, complete with the Adreno 750 graphic card, to handle any high-end application or game you throw at it. Battery backup. To power this flagship 5G Nokia smartphone, they've fitted a massive 7700 mAh battery. And the best part, you can juice it up in minutes using the 85-watt fast charging technology, through a Type-C General 2 socket. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the most crucial details, the cost and availability. The estimated price for this incredible smartphone is rumored to be $799. And we expect it to be unveiled and released into the market sometime in the beginning of 2026. Friends, the Nokia Lumia 2026 5G has the potential to challenge any current flagship phone on the market in terms of features. What do you think of this smartphone? Are you excited and waiting for its launch? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. We'll see you in the next video.